actually the roles that I did in the plays, they were silly. I played in the first play, I'm gonna leave that there. Yeah. And then in
we all got stuff that we leave right now. The past to the past.
And then in the second play, I played the pastor.
Okay.
So you know what I mean? He was like.
That's
so.
funny. She played the preacher's wife before.
So yes. Most of my roles was like fun, and then when we did Bum Rush, it got a little bit more serious. Took me on to like a serious different. Then I did I was in the web series out here called Newark.
Okay.
It was like
because a lot of people
they got
from
like
the bricks
Safari
know
and all
you.
them in there.
Right. Oh, so I'm. Oh,
yeah, so I played the correction officer in that. I haven't actually seen that yet, but they had like all of them. Safari, Mano is in there.
I know the guys that do that.
All of them is in there.
I know the guys that produced and wrote the film. I know the person.
Yeah, so I was in that. I've been in a couple of things. I can't even remember though.
you popping them up. You know what? You bark the dogs on your ass too. Haru. You trying to shameless plug. You know what I'm saying?
I've been in a couple of things, and some of them I haven't even seen yet. But I mean, it's cool though. And then, but I like to create my own stuff.
Where are you actually? Before I go around the room, where are you actually trying to see a creative flow? Like, what are you?
Oh, we definitely trying to take that to the next level.
To the next level.
Like me and Donovan, we work so well together.
Yes.
I mean, we total opposite.
Yes.
But, you know what I mean? That's
it
my
works.
best friend. So you know what I mean? That's my brother.
Yeah.
We work really well together.
Yeah.
We there's nothing that we are afraid to challenge, and that's the one thing I really love about Donovan, because like I'll come in there with some like bogus ideas.
Right.
And I'm like, bro, I'm gonna do this, and sometimes he'll just look at me like.
That's that creative brain.
It's first I do it because I try to figure out what I'm gonna do, the sequence of how I'm gonna make it happen.
Exactly.
Right.
But at first I'm like,
he always say shit. His favorite lines is, I'm gonna see if I can do that. But then he always does it.
Make it happen. That's the magic, baby.
It just the chemistry is just so dope, and that's why we was able to create Mr. JV. Like that's such a team effort. You know what I mean? Like
the intro,
all the way around.
The intro and everything. I love the fact that I wasn't able to know like what exactly this about, and able to see it before my actual part and see the lead up. No, you guys are shut up, okay? You guys are awesome. But